Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. Today, we're diving into a very important topic, ethical AI for Africa. My name is Osaretin Agbonavbare, and I'll be sharing my vision for responsible innovation in this space. In this presentation, we'll explore the principles of ethical AI, the challenges and opportunities in Africa, and how we can work together to ensure AI benefits everyone. So let's get started and imagine a future where technology empowers and uplifts communities across the continent. When we talk about ethical AI for Africa, we're focusing on more than just technology. It's about shaping a future where AI systems are inclusive, secure, and aligned with our values. This means developing AI that considers the diverse needs of the continent, ensuring that no community is left behind. It's also about building trust through security and transparency, so people feel confident in how AI is used. Ultimately, this approach aims to create systems that are ethically grounded, respecting human rights and cultural contexts. As we move forward in this presentation, keep in mind that fostering ethical AI is essential for realizing the full potential of this technology across Africa in a way that benefits everyone. Let's talk about an important challenge we face with AI, its potential misuse in surveillance. While AI can be a powerful tool for security and public safety, we must be cautious about how it's used. When surveillance is misapplied, it can infringe on individual rights and privacy. This risk is even greater in undemocratic settings, where authorities might leverage AI to suppress dissent or monitor citizens without accountability. That's why establishing strong legal frameworks is so critical. We need laws that clearly define how AI can be used in surveillance, ensuring that human rights are protected at all times. It's about finding that delicate balance, leveraging AI for security purposes, but not at the expense of our civil liberties. Ultimately, safeguarding human rights while harnessing AI's benefits is a shared responsibility. We must be proactive in creating policies that prevent misuse and promote transparency. This way, we can build a future where technology serves everyone fairly and ethically. Now, let's talk about safeguarding data privacy and security, which is absolutely essential in our digital age. As we collect and use data, there are inherent risks involved, things like data breaches, misuse of information, or even unauthorized access. These risks can undermine trust and have serious consequences, so it's vital that we address them head-on. One way to do this is by advocating for strong, comprehensive data protection laws. These laws set the standards and responsibilities for organizations handling data, ensuring that personal information is protected and that individuals' rights are respected. In this context, the African Union's Malabo Convention serves as a valuable guide. It provides a framework for data governance across the continent, emphasizing the importance of protecting privacy while enabling innovation. Ultimately, our goal should be to promote responsible, ethical, data-driven innovation. That means leveraging data to improve services and solutions, but doing so in a way that respects privacy, maintains security, and builds public trust. By focusing on these principles, we can ensure that data remains a tool for positive progress rather than a source of vulnerability. Now, let's talk about how we can actively combat algorithmic bias and promote inclusivity. First, it's important to recognize that models trained outside of Africa can sometimes carry biases that don't reflect local realities. These biases can inadvertently lead to unfair or inaccurate outcomes, which is a significant concern. That's why we need to emphasize the importance of developing fair and transparent AI systems where we understand how decisions are made and can identify and correct biases when they arise. Transparency builds trust and accountability, which are essential for responsible AI deployment. Another key point is the promotion of African-relevant datasets. By focusing on data that accurately represents local contexts, languages, and cultures, we ensure that AI tools serve the communities they're meant to support. This approach helps us create solutions that are truly inclusive and effective. Finally, culturally sensitive AI development is crucial. We want AI systems that respect and understand local customs, traditions, and nuances. When we incorporate cultural sensitivity into our AI design, we not only improve accuracy, but also foster trust and acceptance among users. Overall, these strategies are vital for ensuring that AI benefits everyone equitably, aligning with our broader goal of inclusive, responsible technological growth across Africa. Now, moving on to the next key point, encouraging community engagement. It's really vital that we actively involve local communities in the development of AI technologies. When communities are part of the process, we can better understand their needs, concerns, and insights. Incorporating local knowledge into the design helps ensure that AI tools are relevant and respectful of the context they're meant to serve. It's also crucial that these tools reflect African values, things like community cohesion, respect for tradition, and social harmony. By doing so, we create solutions that resonate more deeply and are more likely to be accepted and trusted. And trust, of course, comes from an inclusive process. When people feel they have a voice and that their perspectives are valued, they become more supportive of AI initiatives. So, fostering open dialogue and genuine participation isn't just good practice. It's essential for building sustainable, impactful AI that truly benefits everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to building strong ethical AI governance and frameworks. This is crucial because as we develop AI solutions, we want them to be fair, responsible, and aligned with our values. First, it's essential to develop inclusive, Africa-centric ethical standards. That means creating guidelines that reflect our unique cultures, needs, and perspectives, rather than relying solely on models developed elsewhere. Next, involving diverse stakeholders in policymaking is key. We need voices from different sectors, government, industry, academia, and civil society, to ensure that the policies we craft are comprehensive and representative. This inclusivity helps build trust and ensures that AI benefits everyone. Strengthening multi-sector partnerships is also vital. Collaboration across sectors accelerates innovation and ensures that ethical considerations are integrated at every level of AI development and deployment. It's about working together to create a cohesive, responsible ecosystem. Finally, aligning AI tools with Africa's values and needs is paramount. We want AI to serve our communities, support our economies, and respect our cultural identities. When we embed these principles into our frameworks, we're not just adopting technology, we're shaping it to empower our continent sustainably and ethically. In essence, building these governance structures isn't just a technical task. It's about fostering trust, inclusivity, and relevance in AI development across Africa. As we come to the final slide, I want to emphasize the importance of building a responsible AI future for Africa. Osaretin Agbonavbare's vision is centered on promoting fundamental human rights and ensuring data security, which are the cornerstones of trust in AI systems. When we talk about fair and inclusive AI tools, we're aiming for technology that serves everyone, regardless of background or location, avoiding biases and ensuring equitable opportunities. Grounding these efforts in locally developed ethical frameworks is crucial because Africa's diverse cultures and unique challenges require context-specific solutions. This approach helps create AI that aligns with local values and priorities, making it more effective and accepted. Finally, sustainable innovation is key. It's about fostering growth that benefits the entire continent over the long term, without compromising future generations. All of these points tie back to our overall theme. For AI to truly serve Africa's future, it must be responsible, ethical, and inclusive. That's the vision Osaretin promotes, and it's a guiding light for us all moving forward.